So I think betrayal is one of the most painful of the human experiences. I mean, think about it. This was the person or these were the people who gave you a sense of safety and security. So when this is the person or these are the people to shatter that sense of safety and security, it's traumatizing. Now, some people will betray and they're just on to the next. They're not willing or capable of having that level of empathy to realize the damage that's been caused. There are other betrayers, however, that as much as it is a shakeup to the person who's been betrayed, it's as big of a shakeup to the betrayer. They realize, what the heck did I just do? I just lost the very person who was counting on me and trusting in me and believing in me. I shattered the heart and the trust of the very people I love the most. If that's you, I am having a rebuild workshop tomorrow where you will rebuild all of the qualities you need to become the person you're ready to become. How do you bounce back from something like that? How do you make it right? If you have that golden opportunity for reconciliation, how do you go about that? What do you do? What not to say? What should you say? And what are all the aspects you need to move through in order to do this right so you never make those choices again? Check my bio for resources on the Rebuild Workshop. We're holding it tomorrow. So join us and let's make this right. And let's do something really good with something really painful. I'll see you there.